If you've lost access to your Gravity Forms account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Gravity Forms login page. Go to the Gravity Forms website and navigate to the login page. This is where you will enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your account 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Gravity Forms account. Make sure to use the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Gravity Forms. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder to ensure it hasn't been filtered. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Follow the instructions to create a new password and regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Gravity Forms support for further assistance.